Hi guys, this is Anmol Jalan from 12 Months to Clad, your English educator from the platform. And in this video, we are going to talk about MHCT 2026. Yes, this video will take you through the syllabus, details of the examination, how is it conducted, and what are the sources for it. So stay tuned till the end to know everything about it. Let's begin. Maharashtra Set Cell Common Interest Test is conducted by MHCET, that is Maharashtra Set Cell, and it is an yearly examination that is conducted in March. So that means your MHCET 2026 is also going to be held in March 2026 most probably. So roughly you have got 6 to 7 months for your preparation, and before you start your preparation, it's way good to know about its syllabus and everything. So this examination is conducted for top colleges of Maharashtra, and roughly around 90 to 95,000 students appear for this examination every year. So ma'am, do we have this many seats in this examination? Actually not. Very limited seats that is offered by Maharashtra colleges for around 15 to 20,000, and the top colleges, that is ILS Pune or GLC Mumbai, offer around 1,000 seats. And if you actually wish to get into the best college, you have to thrive harder. So let's know about its syllabus, its examination pattern and everything. The examination is an objective type examination, मतलब आपको कुछ भी लिखना नहीं है, तो इसकी टेंशन तो आपको ऐसे भी नहीं लेनी है. And एक प्लस पॉइंट और है, like 2025 में what they had is 150 questions for 120 marks, but now they have changed to 120 questions for 120 marks. मतलब आपको पूरा 30 questions का time benefit मिल रहा है. So now roughly you have 1 minute for 1 questions. And then moving about its syllabus. So अगर देखा जाए तो इस एग्जामिनेशन के 4 सेक्शन होते हैं: इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, करंट अफेयर्स एंड जनरल नॉलेज, number 3 logical and analytical reasoning, and number 4 legal reasoning. English is having a major chunk and importance in this examination. Yes, you heard me right. We have 40 marks for English section that takes upon 40 question. Yes, जिसका अगर basic syllabus की बात करें तो you have reading comprehension, sentence correction, and moreover the more weightage is given on grammar. So जो आपने CLAT में आपने करा था उसके जैसा ये एग्जामिनेशन नहीं होता है. Moreover what we have is ग्रामर सेक्शन जिसका वेटेज इसमें ज़्यादा है. सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स, वोकैबुलरी, सेंटेंस करेक्शन, पार्ट्स ऑफ स्पीच एक्सेट्रा. टॉकिंग अबाउट जीके, दैट इज अगेन ऑफ 32 मार्क्स फॉर 32 क्वेश्चंस. एंड अगर हम बात करें क्रिटिकल एंड एनालिटिकल रीजनिंग, दैट इज कंबाइंड, कम्स फॉर 24 marks for 24 questions. And then legal reasoning also takes the same, that is 24 marks for 24 questions. तो ये आपका वेटेज हो गया अराउंड फॉर 120 questions for 120 marks. अगर नेगेटिव मार्किंग की बात करें तो देयर इज नो सच नेगेटिव मार्किंग इन दिस एग्जामिनेशन. अगेन एक प्लस पॉइंट बेनिफिट. तो मतलब ये एग्जामिनेशन आपको बहुत सारा प्लस पॉइंट बेनिफिट तो दे रहा है, बट ऑफ कोर्स एज आई टोल्ड यू द कॉम्पिटिशन इज वेरी हाई, सो यू हैव टू स्टडी एंड वर्क हार्ड फॉर दैट. ओके, नाउ कमिंग टू सोर्सेज की बात करें, जैसे मैंने बताया आपको कि इंग्लिश के सिलेबस की बात करें, सेंटेंस करेक्शन, ग्रामर, ये सब पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट है, वोकैबुलरी पे ज़्यादा डिपेंडेंट है. तो वी हैव टू actually get ourselves very well prepared for that, and for that you can refer to some books like Renan Martin की book आप prefer कर सकते हो for your grammar preparation. And when I talk about vocabulary and everything, then you can prefer 30 Days to More Powerful Vocabulary, and also you can read Word Power Made Easy by Norman Lewis. All these books will help you go well through vocabulary, and also because आपको reading comprehension से भी deal करना है, and that can be of any genre, and trust me वो class से काफ़ी easy होता है. तो अगर उसकी बात करें तो it's better if you will read diverse sources like editorials read करो, you can read Wikipedia, you can read different kinds of novels, you can visit Aeon essays, etc. ऐसे reading sources will help you in preparing for different types of topics like psychological, cultural, sociological, historical, etc. Now coming on for GK, you can get for Lewson's book of current affairs and general knowledge. That book is enough for you, and also you can refer GK Today. और उसके अलावा अगर आपको और ज़्यादा प्रिपरेशन करना हो, then you can follow compendiums for that. Coming upon for legal reasoning, you can follow Pearson's book, and practice के लिए आप यूनिवर्सल की बुक भी यूज़ कर सकते हो. Now, moreover, last but not the least, that is legal and logical reasoning. For that, you can follow M.K. Pandey and R.S. Agarwal. इन दोनों की बुक्स आती है and आपको enough questions मिल जाएंगे. और इंग्लिश के लिए भी you can also get यूनिवर्सल की बुक आती है जिसमें आपको enough questions मिल जाएंगे for practice. Moreover, अगर उसके बाद भी अगर आपको लगे कि मुझसे खुद से प्रिपेयर नहीं हो पाएगा, I won't be able to do it very well, then we have our launch batch, that is Parakram, and it is going to be a full-fledged batch for MHCT 2026. The details for this batch are attached in the description box, and you can go through it well, and surely you can go for watching the demo videos, and if you well fully satisfied, you can use my code ANMOL also to get discounts on this batch. I hope to see you all soon in class. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a good day. All the best, guys.